Not sure what they did to that dog in there, but it's running around. It was like looking out quite peacefully before. But it's called Beauty Collabo. I'm guessing that's beauty collaboration. But but I am guessing that the dog never turned around and said, I really want this. I really want to do it. I've been looking to collaborating with you for ages. 今何するの？
今ドライヤーです。
お、ドライヤー？
はい。
さっきは洗いました。
洗いました、シャンプー。
あ、そう。
はい。オートメーション。
でも目に入ってない。Doesn't soap go in its eyes?
はい、はい、全部。
いくら？
キログラムで値段。
So they wash the dogs. The cost is per kilo. So if you put a chihuahua 入ったら飛んでいく? Does the chihuahua fly about if you put the dog in?
チワワだと1575円。
でも飛んでいくチワワ小さいだから入れたら Okay, he says it doesn't fly about, but I think it would be a lot more funnier. In fact, I'd pay more money to see a chihuahua. I might go and borrow a chihuahua to put it in. And just oh, look at that, 31 kilos, 5,000 yen. I don't know how to figure it. So 犬は楽しい？
楽しい。
The dog, so
楽しい、喜んでる。
It's quite interesting. 犬の名前は何? What do you call the dog?
名前？
はい。ミル君？あなたの犬？
違う、お客さん。
Oh, okay, he knows his name, but it's not his dog. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye bye, Miru-kun.